What if I told you that just by creating a 30-second TikTok video promoting someone else's product, you could make 31,720 in under 7 days? What if I told you you could do this with a small account? And better yet, what if I told you I could show you an example of someone that did exactly this, show you the hashtags that they used, show you the video that they used, copy the script that they used and give it to you, and also the sound that they used and the profile that you can go and look at on TikTok as well. Sounds too good to be true? That's what I thought at first as well, until I actually saw the proof. Come with me, let me show you. So first of all, you're probably wondering, where on earth have I found this information in order to make these big claims? Well, the answer to that is easy. This is a website called Kalo Data, and if you're someone that's starting on TikTok Shop as a TikTok Shop affiliate, it's an absolute goldmine. This is a website that's turning regular people like you and me and allowing them to earn anywhere from 5 to 6 figures per month as TikTok Shop affiliates, quite simply because they have all the information they need in order to make informed decisions about what products to promote on their profile. You can see how much people are earning from different products. You can see how much products are being bought the most in the last 7 days. You can see what creators are making in revenue. You can also see the information on videos that they are using to promote these products. For example, before we get into the money, and just to give you an idea of what Kalo Data can do, and I've linked it in the description, by the way, if you want to check it out for yourself. Creator that I've mentioned in this video, I've gone into Kalo Data and I've gone into the video tab, and in here this shows you what videos are working and what videos are performing the best for TikTok Shop affiliates. As you can see there, I've gone into the video page and then I've gone into the video detail of this creator because he was one of the top creators. And what I can see on this page is, one, the TikTok account that they are using. So on the top right hand corner there, you'll see it brings up their image and it brings up the name of their TikTok account. It's called capitalist_cow. They've only got 4,000 followers, just over 4,000 followers. And if we look on the left hand side there, you can actually see the video that they created. It was a 30-second long video that was uploaded on the 22nd of February 2024. You've actually got the video link as well that takes you back to TikTok, so you can actually watch the video that they made that created them all of this money. So it redirects you onto their video. But more importantly, you can also see that this was not an advert. This was an organic video they created. They did not pay for advertising. Otherwise, the advertising information would be there. Now, what's even crazier is you can see the sound they used in this video. And again, we're going to get to how much they made out of this video in just a second. You can see the sound they made. You can see the hashtags that they used in the video. And what's even crazier is you can download the script of the video as well. So I've clicked on that, and as you can see, we've got the script there. And it gives you the timestamps and everything that you need. So if you wanted to copy this and maybe try it out in your own video, not necessarily word for word, maybe take some of the stuff that it says here and try using it in your video as a TikTok Shop affiliate. You can, if you want to save it on a Word document, on a Google document, you can do just from here, which is absolutely mad. In addition to that, you can actually see the product that they were promoting in the video as well as a TikTok affiliate. I'm just hovering over here, and as you can see, it's an oral irrigator. So it's a water flosser, and you can see the price range of the product, that they're promoting there. And more importantly, you can see how much they've made in revenue selling this product as a TikTok Shop affiliate, 317,021k. And if we go over towards the left again in the middle there, you can see the filters that you can use in terms of how long or what time this covers. The details that you can see here, we can see this was performance over the last 7 days, but we're just going to keep it on 7 days for now. And if we go even further down, this is where things get a bit mad. So you've got the core metrics here. Now the core metrics tell you that in the last 7 days, this creator drove 18.71 million views to this video here. Now, is this actually true? Let's see. Let me test it out. So I'm just going to click on the video and let's see how many views the actual video on TikTok has got. You can see that 852,900 likes on it. So I can easily tell you that will be in the double millions, even without seeing the actual view count here. That's easily matching with what you can see on Kalo data here. You can also see how many items they sold. Now, if you click on the question mark there, it actually tells you what that data point shows you. So if I click on views, click on the question mark on there, you get the point. So they sold 13,630 items, and we can also see the revenue they created in the last 7 days, and that is 317,200, and that is just over 317,000. We can also see how many new followers they received as well. But the crazy part is you don't even need a lot of followers to be making this much money. They've only got just over 4,000 followers, but they were still able to generate this much revenue. As a reminder, again, this is the revenue overall. This is how much revenue they would have driven to the shop. This is not what went in their pockets. Because they are an affiliate, they would have received a percentage of this. They would have been paid a percentage or a cut of this for driving all of that traffic towards the TikTok shop. And there's some additional metrics that you can look at here, which we're not really interested in. These are to do with adverts, and we know that there was no advertising that happened here. All of this was just natural traffic. Now, in terms of proving how much they earned, now what I've done is I have looked for that product on TikTok shop. I can see that the shop that I've come across, and this is not necessarily the same shop that the creator was promoting the product from, because remember, multiple shops can sell the same products. This creator is based in the US. This is a USA version of Kalo data. It's got other country versions on it, but I've got the USA version, but I'm based in the UK. Now, the shop that I looked at was offering 10% commission on these. Now, 10%, just from my experience, tends to be the minimum that you get from a lot of these shops. It can go higher than that. You can earn 20% commission, you can earn 30% commission, you can even earn 40% commission in some cases as well. But if we take that amount and assume that this creator was given 10% commission from promoting that product, this is how much money they would have made. And take into account, this is the minimum that they can get as a commission generally. Anything lower than 10% is very, very rare. And this is 31,721 in the last 7 days promoting this product and having driven this revenue. If it just so happens that they got 20% commission, then that just doubles. Then they would have made 63,442 from this product. And again, if they were making, let's say 40%, just for argument's sake, so if we multiply that by 2, then that is how much commission they would have received from driving all of that traffic and helping the shop sell this much, which is just absolutely bonkers. Now, I'm not going to go into everything here on Kalo data. There's a lot of information. As you can see, there's other videos as well that were promoting the same product. You can see their views, you can see the revenue these other videos have driven, and it goes on and on and on. You can go down the rabbit hole and get lost in all this data. And again, I've left the link in the description if you want to see all of this information for yourself. Now, why should you care about this? Well, if you're someone that's just starting out on TikTok shop, you don't know what to promote, you don't know where to find information to help you make informed decisions about what to promote. You don't know who to model, you don't know what creators are doing well, you don't know who to copy that's already making as much as you would like or more than what you would like. This tool is perfect for that, and it allows you to see all of that information. You can see creators. This is the video section that I'm in here, but you can go into product to see what products are doing well. You can go into creator to see what creators are doing well. And again, this is specifically in the US. You can see this information for different areas depending on where you're based. You can go into video and see what videos are doing well. And as you can see, the creator we've just been talking about is at the top there. Creators that are making short videos like this, 30 seconds, 54 seconds, 2 minutes, 35 seconds, are making 5 to 6 figures promoting TikTok shop products as affiliates. The creator that I've just talked about, he's at the top there. And as you can see right below him, there's another one that generated $188,000 in revenue promoting the same product. Below that, you can see another one and so forth. Now, if you're based in the United States, TikTok does seem to be pushing out TikTok Shop heavily in the United States as well. So you are in a very, very unique position if you are someone that's interested in making some additional income from TikTok. If you're not interested in making additional money online or on TikTok, then obviously this is not for you. But if you are that person, you're already on TikTok, you've already been thinking about stepping into TikTok Shop and seeing if you can replicate these results as an affiliate, but you're worried about what to do, what to promote, who's doing well, who can you copy, what sounds can you use, what hashtags can you use, what products should you buy, etc. This tool will get you started because it's got all the information that you'll ever need in order to make those decisions. The video that you can see on the screen right now is actually a free course that I created for people that are interested in starting as TikTok Shop affiliates. You click on that video, I will see you in there.